Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Jira and Slack. So first of all, you're going to open Jira in your web browser, then you're going to log in to your account. Once you're here in the Jira homepage, you want to navigate over here to the left sidebar where you will see the More option. So you're going to click on that, then you're going to click on Apps. Then over here, you'll be able to see all of the apps that you can download inside Jira so that you can utilize it with Jira. So what we want is we're going to click on the search bar and we want to search for Slack. Then we're going to click on Slack connector for Jira. And once you're here, you're going to click on try it free. So as you can see, this is actually a premium feature, especially if you are using Jira for free. But even if you are not in a premium subscription in Jira, you can still use Slack. So just click on try it free. Then it will redirect you to this page where you're going to have to select a site or a space where you want to download Slack or you want to use that in. So once you've selected your site, just click on review over here at the bottom. Then you're going to click on start free trial. And don't worry because it will ask you for your billing address. So just wait for it for a few moments. So after it's done loading, you're going to click on get started over here at the side. Then you're going to click on connect with Slack. Then it will redirect you to this new tab where you're going to sign in your Slack workspace. So after you've typed in your Slack workspace, you're going to click on continue. Then you're going to sign in into your Slack account using your email or using Google or Apple over here. And after you've logged in your Slack account, you're just going to review the app permissions. Then once you're okay with that, you're just going to click on allow over here at the bottom. And after that, you have successfully connected Jira with Slack. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.